In 1963, Ronnie Biggs helped pull off Britain's most famous train robbery. Then he did something even more shocking. The Great Train Robbery netted £2.6 million. Biggs got caught and sentenced to 30 years in prison. But 15 months later, he vanished. He scaled prison walls using rope ladders, got plastic surgery to change his face, bribed officials across multiple countries. His destination? Brazil. For 36 years, Biggs lived there openly. He became a celebrity, released music albums, gave paid interviews to British journalists. The most infuriating part? He openly taunted British authorities who desperately wanted him back, but Brazil wouldn't extradite him. Why? Because he had a Brazilian son, which gave him protection under their laws. Biggs threw parties, signed autographs, even sold t-shirts with his face on them. British police could only watch as their most wanted fugitive lived like a rock star. In 2001, poor health finally brought him home. He returned to Britain for medical care, ending one of the longest manhunts in criminal history, the train robber who became untouchable.